When negotiating with Broadcom, are you only focused on price, or are you also protecting yourself against the hidden costs buried in their contracts? The truth is, Broadcom's commercial and legal clauses can be just as expensive as the upfront pricing. Automatic uplifts, CPI adjustments, FX clauses, and limited exit rights all work in Broadcom's favor unless you negotiate them. Start with price uplift caps. Without them, Broadcom can raise maintenance and subscription fees by whatever percentage they choose. Push for a fixed cap, usually 3 to 5% annually, or tie increases to a specific index with limits. Next, watch CPI clauses. Broadcom often pegs increases to inflation, but unless you cap them, those costs compound quickly. Always define which CPI index applies, cap the percentage, and avoid open-ended wording. Foreign exchange terms are another risk. If your contract is priced in a non-local currency, currency swings can drive massive cost increases. Protect yourself by fixing exchange rates or locking payments in your local currency. Exit rights are critical. Broadcom rarely offers them, but you should push for termination for convenience in cloud or SaaS deals, or at least partial exit rights with notice. And in cases of merger or divestiture, ensure your contracts allow license transfers or adjustments. Audit clauses are unavoidable, but you can negotiate limits such as frequency, notice period, and confidentiality of findings. And don't forget support and SLAs. If Broadcom promises service levels, make sure they're in the contract with credits for downtime. Finally, other terms matter too. Payment flexibility, liability caps, and if possible, a most favored customer clause. The checklist is simple. Uplift caps, CPI limits, FX protections, exit rights, audit restrictions, SLA guarantees, and payment terms. If these aren't negotiated, Broadcom holds all the leverage. At Redress Compliance, we help enterprises review Broadcom contracts, close these gaps, and secure terms that protect their business, not Broadcom's margins. If you're reviewing a Broadcom agreement, contact us today.